Well guys, today's video, we got a 2022 KX112, the Super Mini. So this thing, guys, is a super sweet ride, and this thing's got a lot of power packed into this sucker. So once she hits that power band, it's like a punch to the face. She's definitely got some good hop ups on her. As you can see, VEVOR reeds, FMF pipe, Pro Circuit shorty. Yeah, Pro Circuit. No, yeah, shorty. Pro Circuit shorty. So that's where that sucker really wraps. Gut seat cover. I think it's actually got a taller seat on it. It's got some bar risers under it. Really nice meats on her. I think it's got a board, carb too, and some porting. She's definitely got a lot of juice though. Renthal bars. But yeah, let's see the sucker in some action, eh? insane too, guys. Swinging some dirt, I'll tell you that. Mike, first thoughts, what do you think?
Yeah, first time ever ridden a 112. Anything really this caliber of bike. I can't really ride it to its full potential by any means, but it's got a lot of power. Like, I don't know if you guys could see in the camera, but like I come out of the turn and it just wanted to walk the front end up, and I had to back off, otherwise I would have looped the sucker. Like, it wanted to do the old,
you gotta get your
whoop,
weight.
whoop, whoop, and then you have to almost hunker yourself here.
Yeah.
But the funny thing is, I rode mediocre hard, no pump.
Yeah.
I wasn't pumped at all.
These bars are up higher, which I think is better for it.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't, like, honestly, there's no pump at all.
Right.
Which I honestly, I'm not a guy that rides all the time, so I get arm pump in 2 laps.
Well,
done.
The suspension's way different than an 85 too. Like, you notice how you're not like sagging it out?
Yeah, and like I said, granted I'm not on a motocross track.
Right.
But like, before, if I drove like that carbureted YZ250, oh my God, I had pump. I couldn't even move my hands. I mean, this is smooth.
Oh yeah.
So.
Yeah, the power's just.
Yep, so yeah. 10 out of 10 would recommend to try one of these. Not really practical to own unless you're racing motocross or, you know, a really big hobbyist, but Caleb rides it pretty solid. You guys obviously will see that footage before I hop on it. But yeah, this thing rips.